Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about one tool that I created called as Windows pentools. This tool is basically to download a couple of Windows penetration testing tools on your Windows. This would be very helpful when you are doing your AD penetration testing. This definitely contains most, if not all, the tools that you would require for your CRTP or CRT. I created this tool because when I was doing these certifications, I wanted to create a tools folder similar to what was provided in the labs of CRTP and CRT, but wanted the latest versions. And I wanted to have this tool in such a way that most of the tools are automatically downloaded as the latest versions, and I don't have to modify the script. So other than one or two scripts which have hard-coded versions, which cannot be avoided, all other tools would be downloaded latest whenever you run the script. If you already have a tools folder, I would suggest to delete that folder and create again. So let's have a quick look at how this works. Let me first show you the script itself. So the tools are basically divided into a couple of categories. The first being the huge files. These are the tools that are somewhat huge, and hence it is wise to download them once and keep it in some other folder and not keep it in tools folder, so that you can tools folder anytime and execute on them again. Although even if you keep it in the same folder, it would not be a problem, but I have not tested it, so I'll not vouch for it. The other is the zip URLs. These are most of the tools that would be downloaded from GitHub, and as you can see, most of these tools are downloading from either the head or master branch or main branch, whichever is available, and it is also downloading the latest version. Other than, I guess, one tool, yeah, this TS internals 4.12, for which there was no straightforward way to download the latest version. The third category is directly the files. So these could be available directly on the from the GitHub page, or it could be from if it is a PS script, then it would be downloaded from the GitHub usercontent.com, which is the location which is serving the raw files whenever you go to a GitHub raw file, right? There are some other interesting tools that would be downloaded from other sites like Find PS Remoting Admin Access, which is downloaded from Pastebin. HFS will be downloaded from its own GitHub page, but again, as you can see, this is hard-coded version because you cannot download the current version. Similarly, OpenSSL will be downloaded hard-coded version. And then once these are done, then some of the files will be also copied to the current folder, that is the tools folder, so that you don't have to search for them. These are probably the ones that you need very frequently, like Ruby safety cats, SARP WMI, STD, ASL, invoke mimikatz, and so on and so forth. There are few other files that will be created by this tool, and those are also very useful when you are doing Windows penetration testing. For example, it will create MZ bypass, two versions of MZ bypass. You can try both of them and see which one works for you. It will also create one file called as sblogging bypass.txt. This is for script block logging bypass. And then it will also create a disable defender. This will when you run the script, it will basically disable defender. The name itself should probably suggest that. In the console version, there was option to also build the tools if you had everything installed. I have not added that yet in my GUI version, and I will enable this once I get some time to work on this tool. So enough talking about the script. Let's see how this works. So you can go to my Windows pentools repo, which is at github.com/raj77in/windows-pentools. Let me remove this. Then what you can do is just click on download zip. This will download the zip file for you. Once it is downloaded, you can go to that folder and you will see the Windows pentools main.zip. You can do extract all for this. It should get extracted, and here you should see all the files. These are the two files that you need. License and readme are the usual license and readme files. So here I have a terminal. This is a normal terminal. As you can see, I am using Amit AG user and not an administrator user. So we will go to downloads, Windows pentools main. If you see, this is where the PowerShell script is. Now I can run this Windows pentools.ps1. This is the GUI that you will see, and one option is you can just select all, and it will download all the tools. I am not going to do that in the demo because it is going to take a lot of time. I'll randomly select 2-3 files. From the non-huge files, you can also select files from non-huge files. So as you can see, there is no way to deselect something once you have selected something. But I'll select some 3-4 files from others and zipped files. I'll not select anything from used files because that takes a lot of time. And just click on OK. Once you click OK, you can immediately see that a new folder has been created here called tools folder. This will be created in your current folder from wherever you are executing the script. I would suggest that you run it from the folder where you have extracted it so that you have the nice icon as well. And once you go into this, you will have all the files that you need. Also, it will create a zip file where it will keep all the zip files that were downloaded for creating this tools folder. Hope you would find it useful.